Good morning. See, I was not available. Good morning. Okay, we'll start with the questions. Right, I'll go with the questions first. Yes, fine. So, excretory product and elimination, right? Okay. Arrange the excretory waste in the descending order. Arrange the excretory waste in the descending order. Most toxic to least toxic. Arrange the excretory waste like ammonia, uric acid, urea அதெல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? So most toxic to least toxic. Arrange. Good. Okay, so the answer is right. So ammonia needs nearly 500 ml of water for excretion, whereas urea needs 50 ml of water for excretion. Uric acid needs 10 ml of water for excretion. So depending upon the water requirement, the toxicity is decided. Because ammonia needs 500 ml of water, which means to make it non-toxic, you need more amount of water. So that's why it is arranged like this. Okay, fine. Marine fish, bony fish. எந்த கேட்டகரியில் மெரைன் ஃபிஷ் எக்ஸாம்பிளாக வரும், எந்த கேட்டகரியில் போனி ஃபிஷ் எக்ஸாம்பிளாக வரும்? எந்த கேட்டகரியில் மெரைன் ஃபிஷ்னு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வரும், எந்த கேட்டகரியில் போனி ஃபிஷ்னு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வரும்? Good. Nice, good. Good. Okay, where the maximum absorption of water take place. Where the maximum absorption of water takes place. In which part of the nephron? So, in which part of the nephron the maximum absorption of water takes place? In which part of the nephron the maximum absorption of water takes place? Fast. Sorry. So the answer is it's not Henle's loop, it is PCT. So proximal convoluted tubule, which is involved in absorption of 70 to 80 percentage of the electrolytes, which means sodium. If the sodium is water, if the sodium is absorbed, the lover of sodium is always a water. So wherever it's like Hutch dog, you might be seeing the ad, right? The same way, wherever sodium goes, the water will follows. Here comes a contradictory thing. In some books, it will be given as 95% of the water is absorbed by collecting duct in some books. So, what is the ideology is, remember, for example, you got 1 liter of the fluid going to the nephron. For example, 1 liter it is going to the nephron, right? In that 1 liter, 70 to 90 percentage will be absorbed by PCT. For example, 700 to 900 ml will be absorbed by PCT. Remaining 100 ml will be going through the Henle's loop DCT collecting duct. In that 100 ml, 95% will be absorbed by the collecting duct, which means nearly somewhat 80 to 90 ml will be absorbed by the collecting duct. Can you understand the concept, right? 1 liter la 900 ml will be absorbed by the PCT. Remaining 100 ml la 95% will be absorbed by the collecting duct. So it is not the actual 90%, it is the remaining 95%. Henle's loop makes the urine concentrated. It's just going away and coming in the remaining particles. The descending lumen is permeable to water, impermeable to electrolytes. So it is only a minute amount that is happening in the Henle's loop, and you will be knowing this will be happen when the Henle's loop is long, which is juxtamedullary nephrons. In cortical nephrons, these regulations will be minimal. So the answer should be PCT. Right? So a person is undergoing prolonged fasting. The question is, a person is undergoing prolonged fasting. So what will be the urine consist of? A person is going for prolonged fasting, say 2 days, 2 to 5 days is called as prolonged fasting. So what will be the content of urine? Fat இருக்குமா, glucose இருக்குமா, amino acids இருக்குமா, ketones இருக்குமா? Fat, glucose, amino acids, ketones. எந்த பார்ட்டிக்கல் அவங்களோட யூரின்ல அதிகமாக இருக்கும்? Good. Nice. So it's ketone bodies. Because of the prolonged fasting, the body is deprived of glucose or even gluconeogenesis, everything. So the last form of energy is ketone bodies, from the ketone bodies. So ultimately there will be ketone bodies formation. Right? Plasma membrane and cell membrane, yes, both are same. Both are same. Okay, which of the solute is 100% absorbed in the body because of nephron? எந்த ஒரு விஷயம் 100% நம்ம பாடி அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்கும்? Test results will be displayed soon. Wait. Hundred percentage. Good. So 100% of glucose, amino acids, everything will be absorbed 100%. Which means it should be completely absorbed. Fine. Good. Okay. எஸ் குளுக்கோஸ் எதுவுமே யூரினில் போகக்கூடாது. அது போச்சுன்னா தர் இஸ் டயபெட்டிஸ், அது டிஃப்ரெண்ட். நார்மலாக போகக்கூடாது. ஓகே, when the renin angiotensin aldosterone system or the mechanism will start, or what is the starting point of this mechanism? What makes the mechanism to get started? What makes the mechanism to get started? So the typical answer should be, this renin is secreted by, this is given in your book, right? It is JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells, right? These cells are present in the kidney. In particular, it is present in the nephron. So whenever exactly, good. Yes, from Kritika, the answer is right. Whenever there is a fall in GFR, the mechanism will start. Good. So yes, that's for the day. Great. Good going. So next chapter will be plant kingdom. Right? Naliki. So continue your chapter today, and all the best. Thank you. Bye. Super. Great. Bye, Pranati. Bye. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you. Bye, 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 bye. I'll see you in the night.